Both my parents are scientists, and I never wanted to be a scientist. It's sort of, I think it's in the genes. You can't prevent it from happening to you. Hi, my name is Sally Kim, and I'm 36. Cells actually interact with each other sort of like Velcro, like they stick together and they can come apart in sort of a reversible fashion. And what my research is focusing on are these molecules that actually stick the cells together. And when cells become tumor cells, they actually are able to move more and they have to have the ability to unstick from each other. And so what we've been developing is a reporter assay to look at the binding of these molecules that cause the cells to stick together. My favorite part about being a scientist and doing science is actually the part of discovery, so that having this kind of magical moment where you know something that nobody else knows, that for a brief moment that you found something that's completely novel. Receiving the Damon Runyon fellowship is just, I mean, I don't even know how to articulate it. It seems so obvious that it's such a prestigious, I mean, it's people having trust in your scientific ability and having trust in that you will be able to succeed in what you do. My mom was diagnosed with cancer the day before I received the fellowship, and so I was very, very upset about my mom being diagnosed with breast cancer, and then the very next day I received this phone call and I mean, it was almost like it was meant to be. The Damon Runyon, I think, has a very strong reputation in the academic community for being a wonderful opportunity for postdocs to have their own fellowship money. In terms of the process of discovery, that having this freedom allows you to go down avenues that maybe you wouldn't be able to do. So if you are being funded by your lab or by your advisor, then they have the ability to sort of shape and dictate the direction of where your research is going. But when you have your own money, that they don't have to pay you and they don't have to support you, that you are given a little bit more latitude in what you can pursue. If I were to meet a supporter of the Damon Runyon Foundation, I think my first reaction would be to give the person a big hug, because they've made a difference in my life as a scientist. So I think that I would try to convey to them how important that was and how important it is to me personally, and how that's affected sort of the trajectory of my scientific career.